Welcome back, fellow web creators and entrepreneurs. In this video, I'm going to cover multiple ways to crop a video in Adobe Premiere. To kick things off, I've added a video to my timeline that I'd like to crop. Let's start with cropping your sequence's frame size. Begin by right-clicking your sequence in the project panel and going up to Sequence Settings. Change the frame size to your liking. I'm going to set mine to 1080 by 1080, which will make the video a square aspect ratio for social media. Then click OK. Your sequence's frame size is now changed and Premiere will export your video in this resolution. To expand on this, say you have a subject such as this girl you wish to keep centered in the frame. Go over to your effects panel and type Auto Reframe into the search box. Drag the Auto Reframe effect onto your clip and it will automatically keep your subject in the frame thanks to AI created keyframes. Furthermore, if you have a few clips on your timeline and you want to auto frame the whole sequence, simply right click your sequence in the project panel and select Auto Reframe Sequence. Change the aspect ratio to what you'd like. I'm going to keep mine at square 1:1 and click Create. Now this will create a new sequence with all clips auto-framed. To demonstrate how to manually crop a video, I'm going to undo everything but the frame size. Now either use the Move tool to reposition and scale the video how you'd like it cropped in the frame, or you can change the clip's position in Effect Controls. If you prefer to edit first and crop later, there's an even easier method to manually crop a single video. To do this, I'll reset my clip back to its original resolution. Now press Ctrl M on your keyboard, Command M on Mac to open up the export window. In the upper left corner, click the Source tab, then click the Crop tool just below it. Drag the handles to crop the video to your liking. Under Basic Video Settings, uncheck the width and height. Now hover back over the cropped video to see its resolution and type this into the width and height boxes. Now when you export, it'll be cropped as you see it in the preview window. The final way to crop allows you to create videos within videos or a collage type effect like this. In this example, I have two videos and want the top clip on my timeline to only take up a portion of the frame to reveal the bottom clip. Pop on over to the effects panel and type crop into the search box. Drag the crop effect onto your top clip. Now ensure your top clip is selected and head over to Effect Controls. Under crop, drag the left, right, top and bottom values to crop the top video to your desired shape. Now go up to position and adjust the values to change where the cropped video sits in the frame. Or alternatively, you can drag it with the Move tool. Alright, those are a few of the best ways to crop video in Adobe Premiere. And that's it for this tutorial. I hope you learned something new. Thanks for watching and I look forward to seeing you again soon.